We'll be doing
Sabi mo tuloy-tuloy. The reality.
Daryll ba? Ulit. Ikaw na?
To won this event.
To won?
Yoko na nga.
Akala ko we will be doing.
Hi guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Grabe, sobrang tagal na nung last upload namin. I think that was last year pa. But now, here we are with another video. So why are we here today, love?
So we are here back again, guys, because we will be doing an unboxing video. This one is very special because we received also a very special package. Ayan. Bakit? Bakit tayo may package today, guys?
So, what's inside this package? So, actually, we just recently joined an online giveaway contest in Instagram. So, I joined Angelic Mantos. And, of course, you all know the boyfriend of Angelic Mantos, David Dizon. So, he joined David Dizon's giveaway contest.
Diba? Para-paraan. Para
yeah,
dalawa entries.
more chances of winning. And we won! So, yung giveaway contest is actually from Oppo Philippines because they're giving away some Oppo Reno 5, the Marvel Edition.
Oh! Marvel Edition to ha. Limited edition lang, guys.
So, we are really grateful and we feel blessed na nanalo kami. Actually, siya. It's his entry. So, we'll be
Yes.
sharing our entries to you guys.
Here in our screen. Ayan.
Okay, so the Oppo Reno 5 Marvel Edition giveaway is actually about, you just really have to post something about your real-life adventure and show how he or she is your real-life superhero. So, syempre, siya yung sinulit ko, and then he
Ako.
also write
About
about
her.
me.
Yes. And I won!
Kasi about sa akin.
Yes, syempre, siya kasing hero, kaya, hello.
So, how did you feel, love, nung nalaman mong nanalo ka?
Actually, nagulat ako. It was very unexpected kasi I was at the office and then nag-pop out bigla yung name ni David Dizon. So parang, wow, totoo ba to? Nag-comment siya sa isa kong post and unexpectedly nakita ko na ako ang pinagpala. And so here we are now. Ito, na-receive na namin yung package and we are very excited to open this one. Ready ka na rin ba?
Yes! How about you guys? Are you ready? If you're ready, please keep on watching!
Ayan, so here it is guys. Again, thank you very much Mr. David Gison and Oppo Philippines for this limited edition of Oppo Reno 5.
Marvel Edition.
Yes.
And please don't forget to like the video, share it, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much, guys! Bye!